Sean McCracken, your OC Realtor. It's a mid-August day. Been a little hot, but not anything compared to inland. And the water's been warm, the waves have been big, it's just been great. We're here in North Laguna looking at this unit here. It's a condo, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, about 1,000 square feet. Goes for $585,000. And we are on McKnight here, and that's the Coast Highway up there, and Capri here, but it's a premium North Laguna location. And at the end of the street here, you have a beautiful Crescent Bay Park, and another block down, you got Crescent Bay Beach. So it's just, you know, for those of you that follow Laguna communities, North Laguna is a premium. You can get out of town without having to go through town and so forth. So this is a nice little garden apartment. The HOAs are $200 a month, which is very reasonable. It's parking in the back. And there's like little enclaves in Laguna, probably about 3 or 4 of them, which are made up of condos. And that's it. What you see is what you get right there. And it's increasingly harder to find something with a 5 in it. 535, 585. They're all starting to go up to 600. So if you want more information on this, you can contact me, Sean McCracken, at 949-290-5317, or Sean at welcometothe dream.com, or just go to my website, welcometothe dream.com. A lot of good stuff there. Okay, so here's the entrance. And believe it or not, that's a pretty healthy ocean view, but it's overcast today. I'll have to come back and take another look at it. And this is the complex here. Take a walk in the sliding doors. It looks like they have all new windows and doors. So it's a pretty good size room here. You're the top unit, top corner unit, so you have nobody above you or on the side. And it has some pretty nice views. It really doesn't do it justice. If they took to trim those 2 trees down a little bit, you would have some pretty nice ocean views. And the windows actually, you can't really tell here, but are actually kind of like bay windows. This part here extends out a little bit more. So you can see all the views here. So the way they have it situated, they have a dining area here, and a living area there, and a kitchen here. And it looks like it's been somewhat remodeled. Granite tops, dishwasher, double sink, refrigerator, electric stove. But I have to say, this is a pretty nice room. And then back to the bedrooms. We got a storage area here. You probably could put your washer and dryer there. They have the water here next door. The bathroom, which has been redone. Single sink with a tub and shower. Go into this 1-bedroom here. Fairly good size. That looks out over the garden area and your closet. And the other bedroom. So it's light and airy. Okay. So again, we got a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, about 1,000 square feet, ocean view, 585. There won't be many of these around. Okay, thanks. I hope you enjoyed that.